This is a very common type of ceiling light. And if you're planning to remove this or other similar style of fixture, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First step is to turn off power to the room at the breaker panel. At this point, I can start to remove the ceiling light. This and other fixtures will have one or more nuts holding the shade to the base, but be sure to support the glass cover so it doesn't fall off. Now I can remove the light bulbs. At this point, I have access to the mounting points in the base. And there are two Phillips screws that need to be loosened. The process I'm showing you here is pretty standard for any ceiling fixture. Now I'll slightly rotate the base to release it. And even though I turned the power off to the room, I'm still going to test the wires as a safety precaution. No beeps on my voltage detector means there's no electricity going through here. I can now untwist the wire nuts and completely disconnect the light fixture. I hope you can see that this has been pretty easy to do. But if you're not confident about your abilities, it's best to call an electrician. In the last step, I'll take out the mounting screws. I'm actually going to install a ceiling fan in place of the light, but that's a subject of another video. However, if your plans are to install a different light fixture, you'll basically reverse the steps I just showed you. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.